Hello my friend, I'm Bemski, embedded systems developer. In this video I will present you Total Commander, very useful tool in daily working. Total Commander is a file manager, which in compared to well-known Windows Explorator has got additional functionalities, like rename multiple files and folders, transferring files over FTP protocol, or comparing two text files in easy way. Disadvantage of this program is that it runs only on Windows machines. Okay, right now I will show you all of it in practice. Let's go!
Firstly, we will start with installation. I recommend to download Total Commander from main site for it. Choose section Download. Here you can choose installer, which will automatically install a suitable version for your Windows system, so 64 or 32-bit. After installing, just double-click on the installation package. I will choose English version. You can follow my actions. Okay, that's all from installation. During first run, you can see configuration window. At the tab display, you can activate option Show Hidden Files. It will be helpful if you are working with this kind of files. Now, you have possibility to choose icon styles in Total Commander. It's up to you which version you will choose. I will take the first one. Let's have a look on menu bar in Total Commander. Here, you can activate configuration window. Here, you are able to define network or FTP connections. Further options we will discover later in this video, but I encourage you to have a look in each menu and try them out. Here you have icon bar. You can easily change icon view for each file windows below. These two windows are characteristic for Total Commander. You can also easily create new tab in each folder window by pressing Ctrl T. Over Ctrl W, you are able to close the tab. Tab can be closed also by right-click here. Over Ctrl I, you can activate second folder window. Using shortcuts shows comfortability of working with Total Commander. I will show them all at the end of video. By right mouse click on a file or folder, you can select it. Selection can be also made by pressing spacebar or insert key. When you hold right mouse click more than 1 second on a file or folder, you will see Properties menu. Now I will present you how to rename multiple files at once. Firstly, you can create sandbox folder to try these functionalities. Let's create some new folders with custom example names. To speed up this, you can press key F7. To rename all these folders, follow my actions. To select several folders, you can click on one of them and then left click with pressed Shift key or just Ctrl A. Now select this tool on a button bar. Here you can define a pattern in which all files or folders can be renamed. N in brackets means old name. I will create new pattern which will consist from counter, which will start from 001 and 3 digits should be presented. After it, I will put underline. Then I will put creation date of the folder, but I don't like this format because it doesn't allow to put underlines between of them, what in my opinion it's not so readable. Let's click on this plugin button. Here at the tab creation date we can choose for example, year, month and day format. Now we are still able to exchange minuses with underlines. In this window we can compare new names with old names. If you are ready, just click Start. Now I will present you how to transfer files over FTP protocol. Let's assume that you have a hosting account where you publish your internet website. In order to send website files like HTML, it is needed to send them to server over FTP protocol. To establish FTP connection, we have to use login and password which you received from your hosting company. In Total Commander, we have to go to menu Net and then choose FTP Connect. We see a window which asks us to choose which connection settings should be used. Now we don't have any defined connections, so we click on New Connection. We should define here session name, for instance, my website. At the field host name, you should paste name of the server or your website name. Here, you should write down your username and password from your hosting company. If you have some problems with connection, check this option. This can help if connection is blocked by your firewall. When you finish, you can click on OK button. Now, session should be established. When you want to finish, click with right mouse click here, disconnect. In order to compare two files, we can create inside sandbox folder two example text files. You can do it by pressing Shift F4 key. Let's create, for instance, main.c file known from C programming language. Let's also create a second file with name, for example, example.c. Now I will paste some previously prepared text into both files. Now we are ready to compare content of these two files. Let's select these two files with spacebar. Now we can click here Compare by Content. As you can see, Total Commander has shown us the differences in our two files. Pay attention to this line. Here, the only difference between two files is that here we have O and here 0. In order to see it more easily, I recommend to set font Console As. When you pull icon of given file to a button bar, you will have a convenient shortcut to it. Like that. It is also possible to set here size display to dynamic. This can be made at the options tab stops and set them to dynamic. Like right now. At the tab Edit, you can define your own default file editor.
If you like this video, you can subscribe and leave a like. This will help developing of this channel. Leave also a comment, especially if something can be improved. Thank you for watching. Now comes description of Total Commander shortcuts. Feel free also to get a look on other videos here or on adambemski.com. Bye!